Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share beef tikka rice platter recipe. It's so delicious and inviting. Beef 1 kilogram. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Papaya paste 2 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Tasting salt 1 teaspoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Tikka masala 2 teaspoon. Mix very well. Rest for 2 hours. Oil 1/2 cup. Add marinated beef. Stir and fry 10 minutes on high heat. Cover and cook until meat tender, 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, beef perfectly cooked. Rice preparation. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Oil 1/4 cup. Shah cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Star anise 1, black cardamom 2 pieces. Cloves 5-6 pieces. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Chopped onion 1 cup. Stir and fry 1 minute. Paprika 1 tablespoon. Stir. Water 6 cup. Salt to taste. Mix. Soaked rice 3 cup. Mix. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir. Chopped mint leaf. Chopped coriander leaf. Green chili. Sliced lemon. Orange food color. Cover and cook on low heat 10 minutes. Done. Perfect. Assembling. Cooked beef tikka. Coriander leaf on top. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.